Welcome back to our channel, where we share delicious and nutritious recipes to kickstart your day on a healthy note. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into some scrumptious and easy-to-make morning breakfast recipes that will fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. So, grab your apron and let's get cooking. Section 1. Superfood Smoothie Bowl. To start off our day right, we're going to whip up a superfood smoothie bowl packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. In a blender, combine a handful of spinach, a cup of mixed berries, a banana, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a splash of almond milk. Blend until smooth and pour into a bowl. Top with sliced fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for that extra touch of sweetness. This vibrant and nutritious bowl will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also provide you with a burst of energy to power through your morning. Section 2. Avocado toast with a twist. Avocado toast has been all the rage lately, and for good reason. It's a simple yet satisfying breakfast option that is versatile and can be customized to suit your taste preferences. For a twist on the classic avocado toast, mash up a ripe avocado with a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, and a dash of red pepper flakes for a kick of heat. Spread the avocado mixture on a slice of whole grain bread and top with sliced cherry tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. This upgraded version of avocado toast is not only delicious, but also loaded with healthy fats and fiber to keep you full and focused throughout the morning. Section 3. Protein-packed oatmeal bowl. Oatmeal is a breakfast staple that never fails to hit the spot, and this protein-packed oatmeal bowl takes it to the next level. In a saucepan, combine rolled oats, almond milk, a scoop of protein powder, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Cook until the oats are creamy and tender. Transfer to a bowl and top with sliced bananas, a dollop of nut butter, and a handful of crushed walnuts for added crunch. This hearty and nutritious bowl of oatmeal will provide you with a good source of protein, fiber, and essential nutrients to keep you satisfied and energized until lunchtime. Section 4. Veggie-packed breakfast burrito. For those mornings when you need a hearty and filling breakfast on the go, a veggie-packed breakfast burrito is the perfect solution. In a skillet, sauté bell peppers, onions, spinach, and black beans with a touch of cumin and paprika for added flavor. Fill a whole wheat tortilla with the veggie mixture, scrambled eggs, sliced avocado, and a sprinkle of cheese. Wrap it up and enjoy a satisfying and portable breakfast that is loaded with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. This breakfast burrito is not only delicious, but also a great way to sneak in some extra veggies into your morning routine. Section 5. Blueberry almond pancakes. Pancakes are a classic breakfast favorite, and these blueberry almond pancakes are a healthier twist on the traditional recipe. In a mixing bowl, combine almond flour, oat flour, baking powder, almond milk, and a splash of vanilla extract. Fold in fresh blueberries and chopped almonds for added texture. Cook the batter on a non-stick skillet until golden brown on both sides. Serve the pancakes with a dollop of Greek yogurt, a drizzle of maple syrup, and a sprinkle of extra blueberries on top. These fluffy and wholesome pancakes are a delightful way to start your day with a boost of antioxidants, protein, and fiber. There you have it, 5 healthy morning breakfast recipes that are not only delicious, but also nourishing for your body and mind. Whether you prefer a smoothie bowl, avocado toast, oatmeal, breakfast burrito, or pancakes, there is something for everyone to enjoy and feel good about starting their day with. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so why not make it a nutritious and enjoyable experience? Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.